Okay, so this is for a 2000 Honda Civic, erratic, shifting, no neutral, no reverse, gear shifter selector was not doing anything correct. I didn't get a video of me taking it out, but I figured since there was nothing on the internet that showed me what the problem was until I got underneath it, there's your culprit right there. The selector had broken, and so every time you pushed the selector forward, it was not moving this. The cable was just pushing out of this, and so it wasn't actually shifting the gears, and it was putting this in some really weird positions. So I don't really know what gear it was going into, but it was pretty bad, and sometimes it would slam into gear while we're driving. You can see here I attempted to jerry rig it, which worked for just enough to get it back into the driveway. But then it eventually broke again. But $100, I replaced it. It's really simple. You pull off the cover. There's videos online on how to pull off the cover, and then there's one bolt here that holds this to the body, and then you have to pull out the center console, which is just a few Phillips head screws, really easy to do. And then there's one retaining clip that you can see. It's a brass retaining clip. You have to take out the cup holder as well to get to it easily. I pulled it up with my hands. It's got a retaining clip with a pin that goes in the middle of that and goes to the shift selector. So I mean, it was probably a 20-minute job altogether once I got the car up on jack stands. So there was nothing on the internet at this time that showed me how to do it. I had to figure it out myself. But if you got a Honda Civic that's doing some really erratic shifting, you may not have a bad transmission. It may just be a broken shift selector, and you can see how it just moves in and out on its own without actually moving the linkage here. So yeah, really annoying to try to troubleshoot. I actually have a transmission sitting on my garage floor, thinking I was going to have to do a transmission swap. Got under there and found this, so not too annoying to find out, but anyways, hope it helps.